世界的代志千万项，逐天的变化拢无同。国际消息带大家做伙来详细看。先来看美国威斯康辛州有一个30多岁查甫人，那像是有色的认证，伊因为拒绝逮捕，甲警方发生冲突，结果煞去互警方开枪弹死，也这规个过程拢去互人录起来，发伫咧网络，引起真侪民众的批评。
日军爱正义的标语，真侪抗议者拢入记者会，拍动市长和警方的说明，对38岁查甫人科瑞·鲁伊兹日日互执法的警察开枪无命，表达强烈的愤怒。 根据网络顶管的流传民众翕的画面，死者敢若是有色的人种，涉案的4个警察敢若拢是白人。警察局长讲，因是去处理凊彩开停伫路边的车门的事件，嫌犯骑铁马是逃走半点钟，刷落来伫个街角和警察发生冲突相拍，是伊先举刀仔出来，甲一个警察拄着伤的。
A knife is produced during officers' apprehension arrests. The overall situation is clearly elevated. It becomes incredibly dangerous. I think it severely narrows the scope of options and possible outcomes.
麦迪逊的市长康威强调讲，会有严格完整的独立调查，透明度和追究责任一定要有，嘛对死者和家属表达同情。
It does not matter who you are or what your past is. You should not lose your life as a result of an encounter with law enforcement.
警方执法致死的事件在网络顶关是快速传播，日已经有示威者游行去州议会大楼来抗议，而且替死者来署名。
This is actually the third police-involved shooting in the neighborhood that I have lived through here. I think police should have body cams. We need to know all the details of what led up to that kind of force being used.
目前涉案的3个查甫、1个查某拢撞死的警察，已经拢总红要求向行政架。麦迪逊市警局承诺讲，绝对袂替因来暗砍。规个调查会交予威斯康辛州司法部刑事调查局 DCI 独立进行，地方检察官、独立警察监督单位和警察公民监督委员会拢会参与。公司新闻施会长编译。